we are going to add some new code onto our existing code. And currently we are working on the main branch, so we don't want to, in production or in a large project or in a collaborative project, we don't work on your main branch. You have multiple of branches, and I will talk about it. So basically, uh, in a production environment, you have this production branch. Okay, production branch, and then there is branch. Let's remove this branch. Okay, and then there is testing, and then there is development. Production with a small p. Okay, so from production we basically create testing branch, and from testing we basically create development branch. So these are the three main branches you will basically work on a large project. Okay, and then there is called feature branch. So what is feature branch? Suppose you want to, this is a simple project. Suppose you want to make a button. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to close it. I'm also going to close it to the left side, control B or command B, and I'm going to add one button called my hello world. Click me actually, sorry, and then this, see, click me, and it will not do anything because we don't have any function for that. So create a function here inside this alert. So yeah, it's actually working on here, not in this platform. So now after clicking, it is showing alert because we added alert here in the script. Alert hello world, hello from Git branch. Okay, so what is feature branch? Suppose you are going to add this button in a next release. Okay, so then you need to create your feature branch. So feature branches can be created from testing or development. So basically, it is from development. So development, you see two or three developers working on it. So then you can. Oh, it is not closing. Okay. Yes, this. So this is called feature branch. So feature slash button or interactive button. Interactive button. Okay. So from development, you have created feature interactive button, and after creating, you will push into this branch, into your branch, and then you will raise a PR to development. Okay, and then you will again create a PR from development to testing. And after testing is done, it will go up to production. And also there is another development, another environment called pre-prod. Okay, pre-prod also, or pre-production. You can say whatever you want. Okay. So this is also created from production branch, and yeah, that's it. So now here we are at feature branch. Okay, so now we will create our feature branch from, actually we haven't created these branches. So now let's create it. Git, we are in the main branch, so get checkout is the command to create a branch from main. So from main we will create prod or production. Okay, so now we are at production. You see here production, and then we can create our another branch called get checkout dash testing test. So we are now testing, and then get checkout dash v development, and then we will push it. Let's see. Branches. We'll refresh it and then see only development is there. Why is not created on the branch? Okay, only development is because we did not push our testing branch. So git switch is another command to go from one branch to another. So we have testing. So now we will push this. Git push is a command to our testing. So now we'll go back and let's see. It's not updated. You see three branches is here: testing, development, and main. So again, production is not there. So git switch production, git push to push our branches. Okay, so it's not real time. We need to refresh it. They did not implement WebSocket for it. Okay, so production, development, and testing branches here. So now let's work on development. Let's git switch to development and then create a branch from development called feature branch. Feature interactive slash sorry, actually it is called something like this: feature interactive dash button. We are now at our main branch, our feature branch, and now let's see what we need to push. So these three will show, I mean, source control, that we have changed three files here: index, readme, and script. So what we need to do, we need to push this. So we will add this here and readme. Actually we haven't added anything. So this is just a demo readme. Actually we need markdown for this. So okay, let's push this, add, and script we just add this uh, function, dummy function, and add it. So after adding it, you don't need to do this. Okay, it's already done here. So now let's add commit. This is a meaningful message that implemented new button. Okay, so commit is done, three files changed. Now push it. Before commit, push will not work. Okay, so push it, and it will push to only your branch, not development, not main, or not any other branches. It will only push to your branch. You see, feature branch is updated. So if you refresh, you are on the main branch, and main branch does not have readme. We already added readme, but readme is in this branch. So if we go to this feature branch, see, all of your updates are now this. You see, recently you have updated. So it is showing here something here: distance pushes 28 seconds ago, compare and pull request. So this is important. This is how you will create your pull request, means short form PR. So in a large project, you generally need to create your PR for the review. So this is your development branch, development feature branch. So you need to create base branch as development. So here is the development. Okay, and on the right side, it is your main branch that you just worked on, and there is the title, or basically it is the ticket number, or Jira if you use Jira ticket here. And some of you will basically follow it here, something called, it is a dev PR. Okay, implemented new button, and you can see one commit is there, three file changed, one contributor, and three file changed will show it how many files you have added, or what are the changes you have done. This is the previous thing, and this is new thing. Okay, new code, you have added this, and this function also. And what is commit? Commit is basically a history. A history will tell you what you have done. This is the commit you have just added. What is that? Implemented, see, git commit implemented new button, and you see implemented new button. So this message appears here. So now let's create pull request, and you have open. I don't know why open is in red color. Okay, this close needs a red color. Pen needs a blue color or green color. Okay, so here once you raise the peer, this is the peer link. If you go to conversation, this is the actual your peer link. Okay, pull one, and in file changed, so you will send this peer to your team lead or any other senior developer, senior engineer. Then he will review it. So if he wants to say something here, you will add a comment here. No, we don't need this basic button. Okay, you need to add some styles. Okay, so he will add a comment like this. Okay, also remove this log. In production we don't need any kind of log, so this is how we can comment. And after resolving your comment, you will push it, and then you can mark it as resolved after doing the changes. And he can merge it here, merge pull requests. And there is one thing, rebase squash merge, so we don't need this merge pull request. So this is how you can create. Okay, so now it is code is in development. If you see, go to code, and then if you go to development, you see all of your code readme and it is in the development. But if you go to production, it is not there. If you go to testing, it is not there. So also one thing, after um, doing the changes, we don't need this branch anymore. Okay, but we will keep it just to simply just to raise another peer, and we will see how to cherry pick things. Okay, we will not delete it. So this basically, after merging branches, we can delete it. It's no longer needed actually. So we'll go to testing. Yeah, in testing the code is not there, so we need to create another peer. So what you will do, you are on this branch, and then you can create a peer. Yeah, you can create pull request from here also. Compare and pull request. So development main, and you can choose base branch as testing. Then you can see three file changed, two commits basically. Just recently we have merged it into development, so this commit also coming. So here are the files changed. So we can create pull request, and we can create pull request basically. Title needs to be changed. uh, New button added. Okay, or whatever the title you have added in the first pair, so it should be something like this. And then we can merge it, but we will not merge it. I will show you something actually. Close this pull request, we don't need it. So before closing also, add a comment here. We basically closed it. So closed it here. So now we have this branch. Yeah, go to pull request, go to closed, and what this is your feature branch. Copy this branch name, and then copy another. We need to create another branch from testing. Okay, so we'll full screen this. Git switch testing. Okay, so before, whenever you switch to a main branch like testing, production, or development, always try to pull things from this branch. So pull basically means whatever, because other developers also will work on their feature branch, and they will merge into this branch. And then all the codes will not be in your local. So to get the updated version of the whole code, you need to pull things into respective branches. So you are on testing, then you need to pull your code, all the codes. So it is already updated because now code is there. So now let's check out. Means we need to create a branch called test actually. Feature test. So this is a test branch we are going to create under testing branch. So testing feature branch basically. So yeah, branch is created. Now what we need these changes, this file, three file changes. So there is another way to copy this. Instead of copying the code, we can copy this commit. Okay, so commit this is a hash commit, a full sha id, commit id. This commit id consists these three files actually. Okay, so we can copy this commit id. Remember new button, we are going to copy this commit id. And there's one command called cherry pick. cherry pick means we are going to pick this commit id into this branch feature test interactive button, so space then paste it. So see, these files are here, these files are here, and also readme file is there. So it's copied, unless you have to copy manually. So suppose you have many files like 10 files or 20 files you want to copy, so, and then it will take a whole lot of time. So cherry pick is the only way we have done it. So now it's done, so we don't need any kind of sorry about that. Okay, so cherry pick is done. After cherry pick you don't need any kind of commit, git add or anything. You just need to git push, use git push, and all of your code is in this branch, feature test branch. So if you will go to there, see feature test branch has a push. So now compare to testing branch, then create pull request. So we have created a new branch, and then we have created a PR using the base branches testing. So PR is created, and commit, you just copied this commit ID from development branch, and all the files are here. Okay. So after reviewing this, it can be merged like this. Commit merge. Okay. So now testing also has, main does not have because we did not push it. This is production. It also does not have the latest code, but in testing, yeah, it has the latest code. And if you go to again now, we need to update our production branch with the latest testing branch. So now go to compare and pull request. You can go from here also, pull request and create. Yeah, suppose we're going here, suppose this UI is not coming, so you can create new pull request, and then we just push this code to testing branch, this testing. And we are not going to update main, we're going to update production. Yeah, see, all the changes are coming here. You can create pull request, testing, all the new features are tested and working fine. Actually it should be in the description. New button implemented button. Okay, so you can see all the changed file here. Create pull request, so it's all done. You can see all the three files here. Go to conversation and merge pull request. So yeah, so this is the basic Git flow for all the branches, how to pull code, how to push code, how to create branches, how to raise a peer on different environment. So these are the all the required things you need to work on a good project. So that's it. Thank you guys.